guys, this is Coco from LOPO. Welcome to FESPA, and now I will show you how to find our booth. Follow me. Hello, finally we are at the hall, and at the left side you could print your badge here, and follow me. You could see there is map here. So this is B1. This is our hall at B1, and this is our booth at A71. Yeah, right here. And this way. There is a sign here. This way should the left side should go to the hall B and C, and then we go this way. There is another sign here, means B and C, so let's go straight. You could see there is another sign here, B1 and C1, so we go the left side. B1, this way. And we go this way, directly to the end. This is our booth. Okay, let's keep going straight, and at the bottom should be our booth. So let's keep going this way straight at the end of the way. Okay, we're almost here. So this is our booth. So this is a full series of the DTF equipment. This is 24-inch, which means 60 centimeters. And this is A2 size with printer and shaker. And this is A3 size, which is our latest model of the printer. And this is A4 size, which is also our latest version. This is a powder shake machine. And GS105HS, and this is the A2 UV DTF printers. And let's see the blanks. Oh, we have two more heat press here. GX603, the cap logo 2-in-1 and a mark press. So this would be all the consumables and blanks for the UV DTF printing, the marks and the ink. And this is all the drinkware products. And this is photo panel products for photo printing. And this we would put a TV here, but it's not finished yet. Okay, this should be all the hot picks for sublimation blanks, and also some different materials for the textile printing. And this is also all the hot picks and for textile products, like all the pillowcases and all the such as aprons, notebooks, and bag series. And on this part should be the DTF consumables and blanks, like the ink powder, caps, and bags. So this should be DTF is for the textile printing, so we put some DTF printing bags here. Okay, that's all. Welcome to visit us. We are here waiting for you. Bye-bye.